This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. I don't gotta rap. I could sell a meal saying nothing.
Hey y'all, so I'm starting off by prepping my hair. I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. So my hair is currently wet and I am blowing it out right now. As y'all can see, I am dealing with heat damage from leave out from sew-ins and stuff. So that is kind of bad. So that's why we're on this healthy hair journey of getting my hair back on track. And that is where this HerGivenHair Curly 3 all-in-1 wig unit comes in place. Okay, so this is the current state of my hair after I blow dried it, and this is the length. It has grown some since then, but as y'all can see, my hair does need a lot of work. My edges are fine. They are naturally fine, but also on one side of my head, I do deal with alopecia, areata alopecia, which you all already know that if you've seen like my silk press video and stuff, but it's been getting better, and I think I've been trying minoxidil and stuff as well. But as you can see, I am sectioning off my hair. We are going to do a half up, half down hairstyle with this wig, and all that I'm going to do is section off my hair, and the rest of my hair I'm just going to braid into like 3 to 4 cornrows, and they don't have to be perfect or anything because no one is going to see them. You can leave out as much hair or as little hair as you want with this hairstyle and with this wig in general, which is something that I love. And now I'm just going to be using edge control and shine and jam to slick down my hair because I didn't have any Eco Styler gel, but if I did have that, I would have definitely opted in to use that. But yeah, just going in through the sections and going to slick my hair down, laying my baby hairs, because what's a hairstyle without baby hair? Okay, but after that, I'm going to brush my hair, and then I'm going to take a rubber band or a scrunchie and gather my hair and put it in a ponytail. So after attaching the wig, I'm just taking some hair from the wig, and this is going to be a part of my ponytail. So I'm going to gather this hair, and then I'm going to gather my hair that I twisted up and sectioned off, and I'm going to tie them both together. This way it just blends easy and effortlessly. Effortlessly? Is that? I don't know. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just using a scrunchie to attach them together. And then the piece that I twisted up, I'm just going to twist that around the band. Therefore, I don't have to worry about blending my hair with this hair, because my hair, since it is heat damage, the curls, they loose and they're non-existent as well. So I'm just going to twist that, wrap it around, and then I also even just tuck it sometimes without having to wrap it around. But yeah. Okay, so now we are all done. I'm just taking some water and a little product to redefine the curls, and then that's basically it. Hey y'all, so I'm currently on my way to the Birmingham Civic Center Institute, and this is my HerGivenHair unit, and it is holding up wonderful. It looks so natural. I've been getting so many compliments and stuff. If you don't want to slick it down, I would just flat twist it, put a little gel, and scoop the hair back some so that it gives more of like a easy curly natural look. As you see right here, I love this look way more than the look that I just showed y'all. But I have some more hairstyles coming up that I'm going to show y'all as well, so stay tuned. This is day 5 hair of me doing nothing to this hair but putting the bonnet on and letting it, you know, I didn't touch it up with no water or nothing, but this is how, I just wanted y'all to kind of see like what happens if you do nothing. It needs to be revived. I'm loving this hair. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. I've gotten so many compliments. I am about to refresh this hair because I have somewhere to be, but I want y'all to see it raw and real. But yeah, we about to touch it up because she needs some work. She's a little dry. Okay, y'all, so I am going to attempt to do a ponytail with this, well, really a puff. So we're gonna attempt to do a puff. I've already like washed my hair last night, and this is flat twisted right here all along the sides, and then this is just braided up, and I'm gonna like comb, like insert the wig right there. So, ooh, my hands are ashy. So I'm just taking some of this oil from Chi, which is their black seed oil, and so that, and I'm just gonna do, ooh, well, really, I was gonna take down my hair first, but do that afterwards. So I've already washed the wig, and all that I did was just wash it, put some foam on it, the Curl Crazy foam. I don't know, what's that stuff called? This one. I used this on my curls, and I just brushed it through with the Demon brush. And yeah, I let it dry in the dryer. I'm gonna insert it, and then I'm gonna draw it up with the draw. And now I'm just gonna pull this drawstring to draw it up and make it tighter. So yeah, oh, okay, well, okay, so we got 2 styles going on here. So really, in reality, if I wanted to, I could just keep it like this and wear it down, fluff it out more. And yeah, this is cute too, itself. And then I could keep it flat twisted right here on both sides and like lay baby hair and stuff. Okay, I like this too. This is cute. This is real cute. This is not what we're going for, but this is a whole different style too itself. Let's build it out a little bit more. Yeah, this is cute. Put some glasses on. I probably should define them ends over here a little bit more, but I really like this look. This is cute. I'm gonna take down the twist just so we can see my leave out. Ooh, okay, the leave out, I flat twisted it and I feel like it blends pretty good. My front is heat damaged, so this is good for me. This is good. I'm on like a healthy hair journey, so we'll talk about that in the beginning or throughout. I don't know, the end, the beginning. Leave out blends perfect. Yes, I like it. I like it. Oh, and I really could do like my half ups and have, where did that clip go? I had a, this is like cute and simple. So yeah, we're gonna flip it over. Whoa. Pony puff. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, so yeah, here's the ponytail. She's cute. I think it looks so good. It's really pretty. It can get bigger than this, as y'all probably have seen and stuff. Like this hair can get really big and stuff if I wanted to get big. But if I wanted to keep it more tame and smaller curls, I can do that as well. But I do like having bigger hair with curly hair and stuff, and it's just so cute. Some days I like it, most days I like it nice and full like this, and I like this. I love this flip over method. Like this is so cute. I'm gonna rock this probably like the rest of the week we'll see about Saturday because I gotta take pictures and stuff. But yeah, I love it. This is amazing. This is amazing. Like, get into it. Ooh, I need to lay my baby hairs. And yeah, so I'm gonna lay like my baby hair and stuff, and then we'll come on here and do a full review, stuff like that. But y'all, get this hair, okay? Get it. It's so good. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair. I just kind of like fluffed it even more, like took my hands. You really can get like a comb or afro pick and like lift it and push it up, and like I just kind of like made it more messy, like give it kind of like that natural type bigger look that I'm going for, so it's not so like flat in like the middle and stuff, but kind of, you know. But yeah, and then I also laid my baby hair, so I just wanted to keep it really nice, natural, and simple. I didn't want to go overboard with the baby hair, but I also want to show y'all like the like here's the wig. Like, as y'all can see, the wig gives hair vibes, so you don't have to worry about a track or like lace or whatever showing, because it looks like hair. It literally looks like hair. Maybe if you just don't have enough hair your hair isn't full and thick enough to cover, like, you know, you can get a headband and tie that around so that we see the start of your hair, or even no hair and just baby hairs and stuff, but that'll hide it and you don't have to do any work as well. So I do want to mention that. But I don't have a headband to show y'all, but y'all, I love this hair. Like, this is beautiful. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. I absolutely love this hair. As you all know, I am on a healthy hair journey. I've damaged my hair. Not severely, but I do have heat damage, and then some of my curls are a little bit looser than others. Is there something flying around over here? I don't know. Maybe I'm seeing things. But yeah, so this is definitely going, this wig from HerGivenHair is definitely going to help me get back on track, get my curls intact, not have to worry about pressing out my leave out and stuff like that. Okay, so again, I do want to mention that this is a 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair. The benefits about this wig is that you don't have to have leave out. You don't have to, wait, do you have to have leave out for this? I would suggest having leave out. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't have to. But you can literally pop this on, wear it in minutes. You can do a ponytail with this. It has a drawstring, so it's very versatile. You can do wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs. It protects your edges. As y'all know, I'm trying to get my edges nice and full and stuff, so that's a plus, because I don't have to like slick my hair back. I can just let my edges breathe. I can, like with this, I don't have to slick them back. With the half up, half down, I do slick it back, but I don't lay my edges and stuff every day. Also, yeah, you don't have to use no gel, no glue, no spray, none of that stuff. It's a real natural wig. Like, you don't have to use all the products in order to execute a look. So I love that about this look as well. Even like I said, oh, you don't have to have leave out, because you can literally like braid your hair in the front if you want to, and you're good. Or use a headband to, you know, hide the whatever it is. I just love this. I look so pretty right now. I'm loving this hair, and it's giving what it needs to give. Okay, yeah, so styles you can do with this is like a high ponytail, a low ponytail, a slick back ponytail, headband style, side parting, wash and go. I cannot do a middle part with this wig. We can do a flip over method. So if you've been wanting a flip over sew-in or flip over quick weave, this is a easier solution, and you can save money as well. So I really do love this hair. I've been using HerGivenHair for like so many years now. I just recently got some more hair, so I used to use this hair all the time in the past. As y'all know, if you look at previous videos, then I love me some HerGivenHair. I've used their clip-ins, I've used their wefted hair. This is my first time using a wig of theirs, and baby, they did not disappoint, okay? They never disappoint. One thing that I love is that it mimics your curl pattern. So they have different curl patterns on there. They have the curly, this is the curly unit as well. I didn't mention it, but this is the curly unit. This is the curly unit. They do, I think, have a coily. They have like a blowout hair. Like if you're a kinky blowout type girl, then this is the hair. Not this one, but that's the hair you'll want to go with. I've gotten so many compliments on this wig. A lot of people think that this is my hair. Okay, now I do tell some people, like the ones that know me, like, girl, this is not my hair, this is a half wig. I flip it up, I show them, and they be like, where did you get it from? I want to get this wig. So I know one of my clients for sure, she bought the wig the same day. Also, yeah, can y'all tell? I love this hair. I get little shedding with this hair. I mean, it is curly hair, so it does shed, but it doesn't do an excessive amount of shedding. It does normal shedding or a little bit less. So that's something also that I do like about it too. This hair is not high maintenance at all. I maybe wash this hair back. I wash this hair once a week or once every 2 weeks, so I do like that. I mean, I do like the hair. I just let it get bigger, do its own thing. When I have my half up, half down, I do sleep with it on my head, and I put my bun-in and scarf on because I'm not about to sleep my hair down every day because that defeats the purpose of me getting a break. But I do like undo my combs and stuff like that. Most of the time I don't have the combs attached. Well, I have the tops one attached for sure when I do my half up, half down, and then maybe one of the sides, but a lot of times I don't have that back one attached. Sometimes I just let it breathe without all the combs and attachments, and it stays in place. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the back of this hair as well because I don't think I showed the back, but just so y'all can get like a full look of the hair. It's nice, it's full. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I cannot stress enough how much I love this hair. Like I said, I've been using HerGivenHair for years, and they always do an excellent job with their hair. I've never received, like, y'all know how sometimes people be like, I received a bad batch. I've never received a bad batch from this company. I've never heard of anybody else receiving a bad batch. So this is a trusted company to buy from. Also, most importantly, I do have a coupon code for y'all to use. I do not know how much you get off with this code, but it is YTB capital MORRIS. And that is YTB Morris with the capital M. I will have it in the video. Pretty much, I'll probably put it in all throughout this video just so y'all can see it. And yeah, again, oh, this also is a 18-inch. Again, this is an 18-inch, and I did get it in the color 1B. So you can either get it in a natural color or the 1B. I got it in the 1B because I wasn't trying to dye the hair myself, and I know I like black hair. But I'm super excited because I've been wearing this wig for some time now, and it's definitely giving me the break that I needed for my healthy hair journey. So if y'all are on a healthy hair journey, or even if you just need a break from doing your hair or getting protective styles and things like that, then investing in one of these wigs would definitely be a great investment. You would definitely get your money's worth. And HerGivenHair weave units, all that stuff definitely lasts some years. Okay, I've had some of my my extensions from them for some years now. I still have some to this day, so that should tell you a lot. So thank you guys thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you are interested in seeing more hair related videos on my channel, or just whatever you want to see in general, just so I can put out some things that y'all want to see. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video.